What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I just bought 100,000 of this coin. Let me know if you guys can guess it right. Make sure you either pause this video right now or go through the whole entire intro that I have and just take a guess of what coin I did buy more of. You might be able to guess, you might get it wrong, you might get it right, but feel free to let me know in the comment section if you were actually right. Don't guess after the fact. Be honest, because you know I'm transparent, you know I'm honest, and I want you guys to be honest as well. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter. If you guys want updates on things that I buy, you know, Shiba Inu updates or BTD updates, my coin that I created, or if you just want to buy it and you want to reach out to me and, you know, ask me questions about it or ask me questions about anything, feel free to, you know, follow me on Twitter and, yeah, join the community that's already over there. Also, feel free to subscribe to the Let It Burn channel, which we will burn off Shiba Inu every single day. So if you're a fan of Shiba Inu, we're going to burn off a ton there. So we want to get this to as many subscribers as we can, as many views as we can, because all revenue minus taxes goes towards burning off Shiba Inu. So it will be really, really good to be able to see what we can generate, especially with the following that I already have. So I appreciate you guys for being a part of this right now. But what we're here to talk about is the position that I bought. Now, I don't know if you guys have a guess, but I will go through what that position is. I'm not going to show you other positions that I bought because I have the other videos planned on that. So I'm going to basically hide those positions. But let's see if we can find a way to do that very effectively. So we're going to go over to my wallet. We're going to quickly select that. So we're going to bring up the notes. There we go. This wallet now has $1,875 in it. Now, if you took a guess on something that I would buy on Coinbase Pro, you're already wrong because I bought it on gate.io. So I added some money into this portfolio, into this exchange, and we did buy it here. So now if you guys want to take a guess, you can pause it now and take a second guess. And if you're wrong then, please let me know. I'm sure there's a lot of people that have watched my channel that will probably end up being right. But we're going to reveal that in 3, 2, 1. That position is, as long as I can select this. Oh, I messed the reveal up. So that position here is basically Picoin. So Plane, right? I talked about this previously in many videos because I do believe in where this position can go after it does get listed on other exchanges and, you know, see massive growth from there. We've already seen some pretty decent sized growth from where we were at. Seeing it up to a level of 1 cent, seeing it up to a level of 2 cents, seeing it up to a level of even 4 cents at sometimes. It shows a lot of value in where we can see this coin. Sorry for all the stomping upstairs, but we have kids that are running around. So if you do hear it, I apologize. But we'll try and drown it out maybe in post because I am going to edit this because I already messed up the reveal. So I have to edit it. But we're holding now 200,000, which doesn't sound like a lot compared to how much you're holding in like Shiba Inu or Elon or whatever you're holding with low cost. But this, you know, actually has a significant amount that you can hold there. So it's 200,000 that I am holding right now, over 200,000. That's worth about $1,393.77. Now I was going back and forth in adding to this position or adding to other positions that were there because gate.io is my place to where I buy some of the lower name coins that really have like a potential chance to really run, like really make a move. And I decided that I'm going to put more stake into this because it only has a total of 2 billion total supply, which we can go in there. And right now it's like 800 million total supply. So let's go ahead and check out exactly what's going on here with this position. So if we go into Plane here just to see what the price is right now, let's go ahead and refresh this to see if anything has changed. But right now we're at 0.006885 cents, right? We're not even at a penny yet, and we do see a decent size value from where this can get to, even up to a penny. Now, we've seen this at levels of 2 cents just recently, and seeing a massive drop in the crypto market and even in this position shows so much hope, so much push for where this can go. Current market cap of this is $5 5 million, 5.8 million of the current market cap. The fully diluted market cap is 14.4 million, which still shows a ton of potential, right? I know that this can get up to a higher and higher level as long as you do see some massive movements when it comes to the markets. Right now, it's only available on Gate.io, Bit Global, Buy Box or B Box. I don't know how to say that. Binance, right? That's where it's available. Not a lot of places, right? You're not looking at Coinbase. You're not looking at KuCoin. You're not looking at any other place that you can buy it on. And it's just not giving you a ton of volume in there. Volume is down by 13%. You can see the total circulating supply. It's only 41% of the total supply or of the max supply, but the total supply here is 1.5. So obviously you have something that's going on with 500 million of that. And it looks like something that does have a massive amount of potential, right? Looking at 5.8 million, supply right now, or sorry, market cap. That's crazy. That's a crazy amount of growth that you could possibly see. Now, I talked about this project in detail, or a little bit more detail in some past videos. So I'm not going to get into some of that data. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate that. But we can see here that the overview, when we go into the overview, it looks pretty dreadful, right? You're looking at it at 7 or 0.007 cents. And seeing that drop all the way down to 0.006 cents where it currently is, and seeing that at a perfect level to where it's actually leveling out is great, right? And seeing that to where it lines up with some of these lows is definitely a good point as well. This is where I originally invested in, not this point, not at in January. I invested way before. It was out around 0.007 cents, and it looks like that's a strong support level that we can see with that. But if we look at over all history, we can see that it has hovered at some of these levels for quite some time. And as I do see it at some of these levels for a long period of time, if it does go down further, I will buy more, because it will create more value for me to be able to buy more at these levels and see it go up to a level of 2 cents or 5 cents than it would right now, seeing it at a level of, 2 cents or 5 cents or even 10 cents, right? Because you're seeing that you can add more and more to the position for less and less money. So for me, I'm always in things for the long haul. This has been around since 2018. You saw a little bit of a spike in 2021 where you saw everything else really spike up. And now you're seeing that downturn of this getting down to a lower low. I invested in at 0.007. It increased all the way up to a level of about 2 cents. I saw decent sized gains, but it wasn't enough. I only had 300 invested at the time. So I decided to put more as it did come back, and I decided to put even more as it did come back again. So it shows so much value, so much potential in what Pi can be. And I'm very bullish on where this position can go. This is just me talking. I'm not saying that you guys have to follow me. None of this is financial advice. I bought 200,000 of this coin total because I do believe in where it can go. And to tell you the truth, I could hold upwards of 1 million and see where this thing can go and actually be able to gain out of $10,000, thinking that this can get back to the level that it once was of 20 cents and go even further, right? The market cap in the past, if we look at all history, market cap in the past, while it did introduce, more or less coins, you did see a market cap of $29.39 million market cap. And then seeing this even at a level to where it was at a $47.63 million market cap shows a ton of potential of where this can actually go even above that. And who knows how much they actually had introduced in the beginning in 2018. Maybe it wasn't as much. Maybe it was just somewhere around 300,000 or 300 million, or maybe it was 100 million, right? You could see a lesser market cap, even though you're seeing that 20 cent price that you did see over on the data when we look at the price movement. So I'm really bullish on this. I love this position. This is kind of my baby in investing. Like, I feel like this can move quite a bit. and I want to see what this can do in a future state. So if it doesn't do anything, it's $1,300 down the line, or down the drain, which it could be something big for someone else. This is why I tell people to invest and do your own research before you invest. So take everything I say with a grain of salt. This is something that I'm bullish on. It doesn't mean you need to be bullish on. And if I make a mistake, which everybody makes mistakes, you don't need to end up losing money because of that mistake. You know what I mean? So make your own decision for yourself. If you see opportunity, then get into the position. If you don't see opportunity, then don't get in. But anyways, I'm going to get out of here, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, feel free to follow me on Twitter. Also, follow my Let It Burn channel so that we can build up this to a bigger level and burn off a ton of Shiba Inu coin. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.